If you're looking for a nice and easy way for online shopping, Shein might be interesting for you. I'm gonna show you how to download the app and start shopping. First, open the Play Store or the App Store on your phone. Then search for Shein in the search bar. Select Shein from the search results and tap on Install. Once the installation has finished, open Shein from here or go to your apps, tap and hold on the app icon and drag it into your home screen for quick access. Once you open Shein for the first time, you might see this screen. Just tap on Shop Now. Accept, deny or manage your cookies, and then you will get some pop-ups with some deals or anything like that, but I'm not a big fan from any deals, codes or discounts. Usually nothing is free in this world, so everything is connected to some spending minimum or some other conditions. Just close everything and then sign in. You can create an account with your phone number, email address, Klarna or Google. Even signing up through Facebook is possible. And once you created your Shein account and signed up successfully, you can browse through the products or use the search bar on top. For example, a dress. Use the filter options here and find good dresses and clothes for the best price. And this is what is good on Shein. You can really find a good quality for cheap prices. And that's it. Thanks for watching.